But guys, seriously, will you look at this? That looks so cool. Check it out. All this coffee goodness. It just smells so good in here. For real. For real. There we go. It's like, isn't that insane? Isn't that just insane?
And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist.